How to adjust a Husqvarna Chainsaw Oiler. The oiler on a Husqvarna chainsaw drops oil onto the blade so that it glides easier along the bar, while also providing protection against rust. Some factory settings on Husqvarna chainsaw oilers do not allow enough oil to drop onto the chain, or allow too much. However, the Husqvarna Chainsaw Oiler can easily be adjusted with a screwdriver. Things you will need: flat screwdriver. Step 1. Check the ignition switch to ensure the chainsaw is turned off. The switch, located in front of the handle, should be in an upward position if it is turned off. Also, make sure the chain has stopped spinning before you start to work on it. Step 2. Locate the small screw on the bottom side of the chainsaw near the chain. This is the chainsaw oiler. Husqvarna chainsaws are equipped with a simple one-screw oiler. Step 3. Place the screwdriver into the screw head. If the chain is dirty, it requires more oil. Turn the screw counterclockwise to open the oiler up, allowing more oil to drip onto the chain. If the bottom half of the chainsaw is black from too much oil, turn the screw clockwise to tighten the oiler so that it cuts down on the amount of oil reaching the chain. When adjusting the screw in either direction, turn the screw half a rotation at a time. Even small adjustments will make a big impact.